Introduction to negative numbers. This is the topic which I'm going to teach you today, and this is a lesson of mathematics. I hope you will like this information, this lesson also. So, first of all, I would like to tell you what are positive numbers and negative numbers. Positive numbers is just natural or whole numbers. Now, let me tell you what natural numbers are and what whole numbers. When we start counting from 1 onwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and onwards, they are natural numbers. But when we include 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this, then they are called whole numbers. So whole number starts from 0, whereas natural number starts from 1. And as we all know, all these natural and whole numbers are positive numbers. So before going to the negative numbers, let me tell you these numbers are called integers. Okay, positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and onwards. And negative integers are -1, -2, -3, -4 onwards. So what you understand in this line, okay, number line, we start with positive numbers like 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we also include negative numbers, negative integers. These are 0, -1, -2, -3 and onwards. So when we make a number line, first for negative numbers, you should understand what a number line is. For a number line, see this number line, we are starting with the positive numbers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 0, and then on the left hand side, we are writing the negative numbers, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, so right hand side we have positive integers, left hand side we have negative integers, and in the middle we have 0. Now, because I hope you all know, and if not, then I am telling you, positive numbers are bigger than 0, and 0 is bigger than negative integers, that is -1, -2, -3. So if you are on the right hand side, means that number is bigger than the number written towards the left hand side, means 5 is biggest than 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and here -1 is bigger than -2 and -2 is bigger than -3. So as you move towards left, the number becomes smaller in this number line. So the first statement is 0 is included in the natural numbers and make it a whole number. So when we include 0 in natural numbers, it is called whole numbers. So 2 is a positive integer, whereas -2 is just the opposite and it is a negative integer. 5 is a positive integer, -5 is a negative integer. So integers are of two types, that is positive and negative. I hope this much is clear. Now, in this number line, okay, you will find positive, negative and 0 in the middle, as I explain you right now. Then 3, okay, here, then you can see 3 is bigger than 0, 0 is bigger than -1, and -2 is bigger than -3. Okay, so as we move towards the left hand side in negative, in positive, what happens as you move towards the bigger numerical like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what do you see in positive integers? 5 is bigger, 4 is smaller, then 3 is smaller, 2 is smaller, 1 is smallest, right? So, जैसे numerical हमारा बढ़ता है, number का value बढ़ता है. But when you go towards, when you see negative integers, -1 is bigger than -2, -2 is bigger than -3, -3 is bigger than -4, and -4 is bigger than -5. So here in negative integers, you will find just the opposite. -5 is smallest and -1 is biggest. Okay? So what we follow in positive integers, it's just the opposite case in the negative integers. Now I am solving 2 or 3 questions regarding negative numbers so that the concept is clear. Use a number line to write these integers. -6, 5, 0, 4, -1, 2 and -7. So it's mixed. So this is my number line. I have already written 0 in the middle. Now we'll start from the right hand side. In right hand side we have to write the positive number. The biggest is 5. So here we are writing 5. Then we have 4. Okay. Then we will write 3, 2, 1 and then 0. So 5, 4, 2 I have already marked. Now we'll go to the left hand side. So left hand side we have the largest number like -7. We have negative numbers till -7. So here we'll write -1, then -2, then -3, -4, -5, -6 and then -7. So in this way we will place the numbers in the number line. How many integers are between -5 and 2? So you can imagine or you can do, this is -5, then -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, right? So how many numbers do we have in between? See, -4, -5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 is 6, 1 is 7 and 2 is 8. So we have 8 integers between -5 and 2. Okay. Now add 2 plus 4. It's a very simple sum. 2 plus 4 is 6. But when we add -2 plus -5, these are negative numbers. So -2 and -5, first of all it is addition, right? And both are having the same sign. If they have the same sign, it is always added. If they have different sign, they are subtracted. Okay? So 5 plus 2 is 7. And the sign of the bigger number. We always place the sign of the bigger number when it is a case of negative integer. So -7 will be the answer. Right? So -2 plus -5, simple addition and sign of the bigger number. Here we have another sum. 3 plus -7. Okay, although this is a sum of addition, but they are different sign. For different sign we subtract. So we'll subtract 3 from 7, 4, and sign of the bigger number, that is -4. So even if it is a sum of addition, but you will not forget that if the sign is different, it will be a subtraction. Right? Now subtract 3 minus 4. Now you will think, how can we subtract 4 from 3? Right? Now here we'll just subtract for 3 from 4, that is 1, and sign of the bigger number, that is minus. So the 3 minus 4 will be -1. Okay, simple subtraction, sign of the bigger number. Here another subtraction is 2 minus -4. So minus and minus both are same. So what we'll do is 2 plus 4, that is 6, and sign of the bigger number, that is minus. Right? Now, sorry, it will be just simple 6 because minus and minus is equal to plus. It becomes positive. Okay? If we have same sign together, that is minus and minus together, then it becomes positive. 16 minus -1. What will be the answer? Minus and minus again same. So plus 17 or simple 17, that is a positive integer. Okay? So what do we see? Here we are seeing minus is here, then there is a plus in between, and then there is another minus. And so we are putting the sign of the bigger number. But when we'll find that there are two negative signs together, like 2 minus -4 or 16 minus -1, then it will become a positive integer and the answer will be addition. Okay? Write the additive inverse of -5. Additive inverse means just the opposite. So -5, additive inverse will be 5 plus 5. And 3, additive inverse will be -3. So dealing with negative numbers, we deal with negative numbers in this way. I'll just recapitulate one thing. If the sign is different, then we subtract and we put the sign of the bigger number. But if the sign is same, either plus plus or minus minus like this, then they are simply added. I hope this concept is clear and you like this online class also. Thank you so much for watching.